Do your mornings feel like uncontrollable storms? I am a certified spiritual life coach, and I've helped hundreds of women 40 and over to transform their anxious thoughts early in the morning into peaceful and harmonious ones. And they've been able to do it without meditating, without journaling, without getting up any earlier than they normally do. And in this video, I'd like to show you the same 60-second reset that I've shown them so that before your coffee's even brewed, you can transform those anxious thoughts of yours into ones of peace and harmony. The thing is, whatever energy you wake up with, you're going to carry into your day unless you do something to change that situation. And if you wake up with anxious thoughts, then unless you reset them, it's going to carry out through your day so that you're going to have low energy, you're going to have a bad mood, and you're not going to get the results that you want. And if you like where I'm going with this, I think you'll love the free Calm in the Moment kit I've created. It has a 3-minute meditation, a 1-minute reset, and 15 journal prompts that you can use all throughout the day, whenever you have time, depending on your situation, in order to reset your anxious energies into peaceful, calm ones. So, what is something that you have been thinking about all week long, perhaps? What happens when something's just circulating in your mind is that if you go to sleep with that, then your subconscious is working on it all night long and you wake up with it. And that's what leads to the anxious feelings. So, whatever's going on in your life this week, if you can just write down what anxious feelings you're having or anxious thoughts, just put those in the comments below. And I'm going to be leading you through the process. You can do it either closed eye or open eye, it doesn't matter. But what we're going to be doing is diaphragmatic breathing, which might be something you've heard about, but you've never really experienced before. We're going to be breathing deep, doing deep breathing from the belly. Lots of us just do shallow breathing from the lungs, and that doesn't really allow you to bring in new energy to circulate to help you relax. So what you do is you breathe in from the diaphragm from your belly. That should come out like a balloon. And then as you breathe out, it goes back in. So try it with me. Just breathe in, diaphragm will go out, and then as you exhale, it'll come back in. And I'd like you to imagine that you are surrounded by a magenta bubble. Magenta's the color of my jacket. It's not just a color that you see with your eyes, it's actually a quantum color that carries the frequency of peace and harmony. So imagine that you're surrounded by this magenta bubble. And as you breathe in, I'd like you to breathe in that color, that magenta color, with the peace and the harmony. And as you circulate it throughout your body, I'm going to guide you in doing that. Just imagine that whatever anxious thoughts or emotions you've been feeling all week long are just going to be dissipated. You're just going to be exhaling that right through when I asked you to exhale. So breathe in and let that wonderful magenta energy go into your heart, and then see it circulating all throughout your body, bringing peace to every cell within you. And then as you exhale, see that anxious thought or emotion just leaving you, leaving your system. Breathe in again, that wonderful peace and harmony in the magenta color. See it circulating all throughout your body. And then as you exhale, just imagine that that anxious thought or emotion is just leaving you. Let's do it one more time. Just breathe in. See that magenta color going to your heart, circulated all throughout your body. And as you breathe out, just see that anxious thought or emotion just leaving you. And then you can anchor this into your day by saying, I am enjoying a peaceful and calm day. And you can do this any time of the day when you feel that the anxiety is mounting. You can also do it at night so that you can have a peaceful night's rest. And you can do this at any time, even if you can't do the deep breathing. Just breathe normally and imagine that magenta color coming up, circulating throughout your body, the peace and harmony, and then let any anxious thoughts just leave you. And you can have magenta in your wardrobe. I have lots of it, just like this jacket. You can have it in your decor, in your sport gear, in your phone case, coffee cup, journal cover, anything like that. Whenever you see it, it'll remind you that you should bring this peaceful, harmonious energy into your body. So if you're feeling calm and relaxed right now, please like this video. It'll let other women who are feeling anxious know that it's something they should look at. If you'd like the Calm in the Moment kit, just comment calm below the video here. And if you'd like to take this concept even further, I've created another video, Create Inner Peace, that you can access right here.